now today we are starting with the real numbers, that is chapter 1. Okay. Before we are going to real numbers, I think that every student should must know what is BODMAS rule. While we are doing the multiplication, addition, subtracting or combining together different types of problems or the multiplications or a solution based questions, if we want to solve, we need to know what is BODMAS rule. For example, if the question is like this, into 2 plus 5 and minus 5 into 3 plus 6 divided by 3. If the question is this, what is the answer for this? What is the solution for this we wanted to do? Which operation we need to do first? So that is the main criteria. First we need to do division or multiplication. We need to do this one or this one. There is a confusion, right? There is a confusion, that is if we take this is first, answer will be different. If we take this is first, answer will be different. What is the rule to get the exact value? That is actually, for example, sometimes there is a bracket here. Okay, like this type of the solution based questions, we need to solve multiplication, addition and the combining together. We need to follow BODMAS rule. Okay, simply we can say DMAS. Okay, DMAS or BODMAS. What is BODMAS? See, B for bracket, BO is nothing but bracket open. First we need to do bracket open. Okay, next D for division, then M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. What it means, it indicates that we need to do first operation is we need to complete the operation of brackets. After that we need to go towards the division and multiplication. After completion of multiplication we need to do additions and then subtractions. After multiplication you can do subtraction or addition, that will be the same answer actually, but this is the rule, that is nothing but BODMAS rule. This name is indicate the BODMAS rule. This is BODMAS rule. First of all we need to do division. First bracket open, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, now we need to check BODMAS rule with this example. Now, as per BODMAS rule, what we need to do, we need to complete the operation of brackets. First of all, we need to complete this one. Within the brackets, we need to do, first of all, within the brackets, 4 2 is 8. So that 2 divided by 8. Remaining terms we should must be right same as it is. That is 5 minus 5 into 3 plus 6 divided by 3. Right. Next, what the operation is? Bracket open is completed, then we need to take into the next operation, that is division. Okay, now this is the division, this is the division. We need to complete this division operation. 2 divided by 8. 2 by 8, how much it is? 2 1s are 2 4s are. That is 1 by 4. Okay, so that 1 by 4 plus 5. Remaining is same as it is. We need to write, okay, into 3 plus 6 divided by 3. How much it is? 6 1s are 6 2s are 6. So this is 2. Next, which operation we need to do? Multiplication. After division, we need to complete multiplication. So this is multiplication is there. So we need to complete this one. So 1 by 4. Remaining is same. We need to place it as same 5 minus minus same as it is. Okay. Now 5 3 is how much it is? 15 plus 2. Okay. Now next is addition operation. Now we need to add all place numbers. Plus 5 and plus 2, it is 7. And this is also plus, right? There is no sign. That means there is a plus sign is there. That's why 1 by 4 plus 2 plus 5 we need to complete first of all. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 plus 1 by 4. If we take 1, what is the LCM of this? 1, that is a 4, sorry. Then 7 4s are 28 and plus 1 29. So this is the 29 by 4 and 5 plus 2, here 7 completed. Okay, this is 27 by 4 minus 15 is there, minus 15. Minus 15. Next we need to take 25 by 4 minus 15. If we take 1 is the denominator, now 4 is the LCM. 4 ones are, how much is the? 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are that 1 multiple with the numerator. This is 29. So 29 minus. Okay. 1 4 ja. 1 4 ja 4. So this 4 multiple with the numerator. Okay. 15 4 ja, how much it is? 60. Now 29 minus 60, how much it is? You can write it as, that is the 31 by 4 is the answer. 31 by 4 is the answer. While we are doing this type of the calculations in the mathematics, in any mathematics, in the any chapter, in any quantitative aptitude reasoning, in any phenomena, we need to apply this BODMAS rule. This is lifetime rule. This is useful for the lifetime in your whole life. Okay, so carefully you need to do this one and practice more number of questions on this. Okay, next, to know what is integers. Integers are nothing but positive and negative numbers including with 0. For example, if you are taking the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Negative natural numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4 including with 0. These all numbers we call it as integers. These all are integers. If we are denoting these integers on number line, you can write this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the -1, here is -2, -3, here is the -4. Okay, this is the representation of the integers on the number line. Okay, now already I told you in the previous classes what is prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers which have only 2 factors. That is 1 and another is number itself. And number itself. These two are very important while we are going through real numbers chapter number 1. Okay. My suggestion to the every student, you should must learn at least 12 tables. 12 ఎక్కాలు నేర్చుకోండి. కనీసం 12 ఎక్కాలు నేర్చుకుంటే ఇవి మన యొక్క మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఫాస్ట్ టైం చేయడానికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే అనదర్ థింగ్, యూ షుడ్ మస్ట్ నో స్క్వేర్స్. స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్స్. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. What is square? Simply 6 square is nothing but what it indicates, 6 into 6, that is 36. Okay, This is not a big thing, okay? Just 6 into 6 is nothing but 36. That we need to know first of all. 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196. దీనికి రివర్స్ చూడండి, సింప్లీ 69 96. ఓకే, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, and 20 square 400, 21 square 441. Okay, like that, at least you need to remember and by heart these 1 to 20 squares at least. This is very important for every student. 1 to 20 squares you need to be by heart these things. Okay, if you parayan the formulas in the mathematics only you will get the moksha, otherwise it is not possible. Okay, now you need to take this onto your class notes, important, and cubes also important. 1 to 10, at least 1 to 10 cubes are very important for the fastening the mathematics. Here cube is nothing but, for example, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 3 times. Okay, now 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and 4 cube is simply 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay, 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Next 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube. 10 cube you know that is 1000. Okay, simply now 6 cube 216, and 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, and 9 cube is 729. Okay, now we need to remember this 1 to 10 cubes is the important. This is very important for each and every student. Next thing is, for example, 2 by 3 is there. In this is, we call it as numerator. This 3 we call it as denominator. This is the basics. Okay, 4th 3rd class basics, but I am targeting for the each and every low and low students also. That's why I am concentrating on the basics also. Okay, please remember this point. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, now another thing is, if we are writing, if we take 3 by 2, that is possible in the previous one, but it takes in the point values. Okay, so if it is 3 by 2, if we take 2, 2 ones are 2, the remain, what is this is remainder. We need to know what is the name of each and every things here. Okay, now I will tell you what is this. Here I told to you that is 3 of 2 ones are 2, and here is the 1. Remainder is remaining. Migilinde remainder antam. This is remainder. Okay. This is quotient. Okay. This is dividend. This is we called as dividend. D-E-N-D. Okay, this is dividend. This is a divisor. This is called divisor. Divisor. Okay, this is divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient, this is remainder. See, 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3. So, what is 2? 2 is the divisor. Divisor into quotient. I am writing as a shortcut, that is divisor into quotient. Okay. Plus remainder is equal to, what is this? Dividend. This is the formula we can form from that. Simply, divisor into quotient plus remainder is dividend. This is very important. Okay, divisor into quotient plus remainder, we will get dividend. What is called? Dividend. Okay, basically అడిషన్స్ కూడా రాని స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే అది కూడా నేర్చుకోండి. చెప్తాను ఎగ్జాంపుల్. 100157689 we need to add these numbers. Okay, here is 9, here is 9, for example 781 is there. We need to add this one. Okay, now how we need to add is nothing but here simply 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. In the 15 we need to write right digit here and the left we need to kept here. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 8 18. Here 1. 9 6. How much? 15 16 and plus 7 it is 23. 9 plus 2 you can write here 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 it is 18. Here 1 you can write here 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. Okay, this is the way we need to do additions. Okay, now next, subtraction. 190 1900, for example, see 1900 and 777. Practice more number of questions, then you will get a clarity. Some of the student, when I teach in some places, they are not very effective in addition, subtraction, divisions and multiplication also. That's why I am telling here. Okay, now 0 minus 7 అంటే ఏ విధంగా చేయాలి సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్? మన దగ్గర ఏమన్నా జీరో ఉన్నాయి, నీ దగ్గర 0 రూపాయలు, నీ ఇక్కడ రూపాయి కూడా లేదు. You don't have any rupee. How you can give 7 rupees to another person? It is not possible, right? Same like that. From the 0, how you can remove 7? It is not possible. If you don't have money, you cannot give to another person. If you want to give to the another person, what we need to do? We should must take some amount as a interest from another person. Same time, we are taking interest 10 rupees from another person. Okay, that is called borrowing. If you are borrowing 10 rupees from your student or from your any person, then only you can help to another person. Same thing, if you don't have any apples in your bag, how you can give to another person? It is not possible. Okay, same thing, that is the subtraction is going on. 10 minus 7, how much it is? 3. Then again 10 you need to take, because here is the 0. So when you take 10, already I gave to another person, we need to neglect or we need to subtract 1 from that. That is 10. 10 నుంచి 9 ఒకటి తీసేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ పోయింది కాబట్టి ఒకటి తీసేస్తే 9. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ 9. 9 minus 7 2. Here 9 is there, already borrowed from here. One number will be less. 9 minus 1 is 8 అవుతుంది. So 8 minus 7 it is 1, and there is a 1, there is nothing, that means 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Like this we need to do. Okay, నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మల్టిప్లికేషన్. లార్జ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ కూడా చేసేటట్టు ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? 193 5 into 25 for example. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 17, 9 5 is 45, 1 46. Okay, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 9. Next we need to take into here. Next 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6 1 7, 2 9 is 18. Okay, 2 1 is 2. Then we need to add. If you have another number here, you need to take one. Take here into, instead of taking double into, you need to take here cross. If you have another digit here, you need to take here in the below step. Okay, that is better. Okay, rather than taking the into and all things. Okay, now we need to add this one. 5 and 7, 13, 18 and 3. Okay, in the Indian system of numbers ఏ విధంగా పాయింట్ పెట్టాలి? ఇన్ ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ హిందూ అరబిక్ సిస్టంలో ఏ విధంగా పాయింట్ పెట్టాలంటే, ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ నెంబర్. we need to take, for example, instead of taking this one, this is the number. Okay, this is large number. How we can read this one? We cannot read. If you take commas only, we can read. In the Indian system, how we need to put commas? First, after 3 digits from the right side, towards left. First 3 digits, then after every 2000, 1000 decimal points అంటే ఏంటంటే ఒకసారి చూద్దామా. For example, what is called decimals? These are all basics we need to know. Decimals, DECIMALS. Okay, decimals ఎట్లా అంటే 3/2 ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2/5 ఉంది, 5/10 ఉంది. ఇట్లాంటప్పుడు ఎట్లా? వాట్ ఈస్ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్? What is decimals? Now 3/2 means 2 with 3. 2 1s are 2, remaining is 1. If we take point here, we get 0 here. Okay, 2 table of 5, 10 approach, 2 5s are 10. Now this is the decimal point. This point we call it as decimal point. 1.5. This is decimal point. These are all are decimal numbers. After decimal point, every digit is the decimal numbers. Okay, those are decimal numbers. 2/5 is there. Here 2 is not possible. So that point, if you take point here, you will get 0 here. 5 4 is a 20. So it is 0.4. 0.4. There is no digits here. That means if you can put zeros, there is no value for that. Okay, so 0.4. Now same like that. How we can write in the ratio form? Okay, see what is ratio? Ratio is nothing but the number in the form of p/q. p/q form లో ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం రేషియో అంటాం. Q should not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0. ఇది 0 అయినాక ఇంకేముందిరా? ఏముంటుంది దాని వాల్యూ? ఇన్ఫినైట్. ఓకే, 0 టేబుల్లో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2/0 ఉంది. 0 టేబుల్లో 2 వస్తుందా? నో. ఓకే, నాట్ డిఫైన్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డిఫైన్. ఓకే, సేమ్ థింగ్. Q is not equal to 0. p/q ఫామ్లో ఏ విధంగా రాయాలి దీన్ని? డెసిమల్ పాయింట్, దిస్ డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ లో ఉన్న దీన్ని హౌ వీ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ రేషియో ఫామ్. సి 1.5ని ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు రేషియో ఫామ్లో? 15/10. వై ఇక్కడ ఒకటే ఆఫ్టర్ 1 డిజిట్ పాయింట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ 1 0తో పెట్టినా నేను 10. ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం 0.4 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు 4/10 4/10 వై ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 డిజిట్ తర్వాతనే ఉంది కాబట్టి 4/10 అని రాసిన సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ 700/1000 is there. How we can write into decimal form? This ratio form into rational form into decimal form. ఏ విధంగా రాయాలి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి zeros? How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Means we need to put a decimal point after 3 digits in the numerator. This is numerator 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, we need to put a decimal point in the numerator 0700. That means 0.7. Okay. After 00, it means you can write how many zeros. Okay. 0.7 is the value. We can, for example, 98.376. How we can write into rational form? 98376 divided by how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after decimal point. That's why 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Like this, we need to convert from one place to another place, one place to another place. If we have 3 zeros, we need to put decimal point or point after 3 digits. If you have 2 zeros, after 2 digits. If you have 10 zeros, after 10 digits. For example, 7/1000 అని ఉంది. How we can do it? We need to put a decimal point after 3 digits. ఇక్కడ ఒకటే ఉంది. There is only 1 digit in the numerator. We need to create 2 more digits. That is 0.007. 7 కి ముందు zeros పెడితే if you are placing the zeros before the 7, the value of the 7 will not be changed. If you are putting after the 7, what will happen? It will be the 70 and 700. That's why we need to put before 7. Okay, so 2 zeros I placed here, then after I place decimal point here. Okay, now that is the 0.007 we will get. You need to practice more number of questions from the decimals to ratio numbers and rationals to decimal numbers. Now, after completion of this, we will start complete the real number chapter.